Okay, so here we go with the next one. I'm just going to erase this so I can make myself some room. So looking at this problem, at first thing you notice that it is not in standard form. So I have to move this to the other side. So y prime plus 2 over xy equals this. Okay, so I'm going to make my integrating factor. It's in the right form, so I'm going to have e to the integral of, right? My integrating factor is e to the integral of, and I'm carrying the positive sign, because if it's negative, I have to do that. Positive sign 2 over x dx. Okay, so what do you know about this? So this is the same thing as 2 times, right? So you know E2 times ln of x. Okay, so it is necessary to cancel the E and the ln, but I can't do it with this 2 here. So my next step would be to rewrite this as, and for reasons I'm not going to go into, we're allowed to toss the negative or the absolute values. So put this 2 up in the exponent. So it's x squared. Now the e and the ln will cancel. So what do I get? X squared is my integrating factor. X squared. So it is a necessary thing to cancel e and ln. So you have to get rid of this 2 by putting it up in the exponent. E and ln cancel, so x squared. So x squared y prime plus x squared, and I'm just going to go super slow so you see what I'm doing. Oh, and if I multiply this by x squared, I just get cosine squared, right? Okay, so what does this simplify to? This is the same thing as saying 2x, right? Okay, so what's supposed to happen on this left-hand side? This left-hand side should be the derivative of my integrating factor times y. So is it first d second? Oops, I lost my y prime. Oops. Okay. So first d second, yes, plus second d first. Yes, it works. So double check that it works. Then this is on this side. So now I'm ready to take the integral of both sides, right? Take the integral of both sides. So this here, the derivative and the integral cancel. So I just get x squared y. This side, what do I do with cosine squared? You know that you rewrite this using the half angle formula. So I get 1/2 x plus 1/2 sine of 2x, because you just have to know all that integral stuff, right? And then I can divide through by x squared. So I get y equal, and so let me just kind of carry this 1/2 through as I'm dividing through by the x squared. So I have 1/2 x divided by x squared, and so this will give me a 1/4 sine of 2x divided by x squared plus c divided by x squared. This is a big deal. Don't forget that. All right, let's do another one. Oh, and I have information to solve for the y. I'm sorry, solve for the c, correct? Okay, so first I have to get it in standard form, which means I need to divide through by x squared. So y prime plus x divided by x squared gives me 1 over x, and then this divided by x squared gives me minus 1 over x squared. Oops, I dropped my y, right? Equals 0. So I'm going to write it again. So plus 1 over xy equal 1 over x squared. Okay, so I've got it in standard form. So again, this is my integrating factor, right? So I'm going to do e to the integral. So my integrating factor is e to the integral of 1 over x. So I get e to the ln of x. So that's just x. Okay, so I'm going to multiply by x. All right, so there it is. So this side should turn out to be my integrating factor times y. First times d second plus second d first. Yep, there it is. This has turned out to be kind of an easy one, didn't it? All right, so now I'm ready to integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. So this is xy equal ln of x plus c. Okay, this is the easiest place to solve for the c. So let's do it. So let's put y of 1 is 2. So that means I'm putting y is 2. And x is 1. So x is 1, ln of 1 is 0. So I get c is equal to 2. Okay, so then my answer will be xy equal ln of x plus 2. So y will equal ln of x plus 2 all divided by x.